If you're tired of washing dishes by hand, or simply don't have the space for a full-size dishwasher, the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is a game changer. This compact yet powerful appliance is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, no matter how small. Its sleek and modern design not only looks great on your countertop, but also delivers exceptional performance that rivals larger models. One of the standout features of this dishwasher is its ease of use. Setting it up is a breeze. Just connect it to your faucet using the included adapter, load your dishes, and select your desired cycle. The intuitive control panel makes it simple to choose from multiple wash programs, including a quick wash for lightly soiled items and a heavy-duty cycle for stubborn grease and grime. Plus, the built-in water tank option means you don't even need a faucet connection if you prefer a truly portable setup. The cleaning power of the Silonn dishwasher is impressive. It uses high-pressure water jets and a heating function to ensure your dishes come out spotless every time. Even baked-on food residue doesn't stand a chance. The upper and lower spray arms work together to provide thorough coverage, and the included dish rack and cutlery basket keep everything organized. Another major advantage is its energy efficiency. This dishwasher uses significantly less water and electricity compared to traditional models, making it an eco-friendly choice that won't spike your utility bills. It's also surprisingly quiet, so you can run it without disrupting your daily activities. For those with limited kitchen space, the Silonn portable dishwasher is a lifesaver. Its compact footprint means it fits perfectly on countertops, in RVs, or even in dorm rooms. When not in use, it's easy to store away, though its stylish design might make you want to keep it out all the time. Overall, the Silonn portable countertop dishwasher is a must-have for anyone looking to save time, space, and effort in the kitchen. Its combination of convenience, efficiency, and performance makes it one of the best portable dishwashers on the market. Whether you're a busy professional, a small family, or someone living in a cozy apartment, this appliance will quickly become an indispensable part of your daily routine. Say goodbye to hand washing and hello to sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.